The first is system maintenance. Below is a language that can set up the system. You can also set up a recovery of that system. Factory settings. You can also set several functions for a reboot of the system and a timed restart of the system. You can set the device weekly scheduled restart. The device is maintained on an extranet for a test. It's equivalent to us being able to do this through this feature. Can be set. This current route can be set to view whether the router can connect to the intranet. We can spell battle or another website. Point to start. If there are some that appear below, it's that pin information, proof that the router is connected to the extranet.